Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Tonight, Saturday night dinner is burgers and brats on the Blackstone, and I'm going to be making a Greek potato salad. The veggies, the lettuce, the peppers, everything's cleaned and ready to go. Here I'm going to slice up the peppers and get those ready for the Blackstone. Alright, we got the peppers and the onions all sliced up and ready to go on that Blackstone. Potatoes are in? How long?
I'll go 6.
6 minutes? 6 minutes. We're going to make some potato salad to go along with our burgers tonight. That calls for a lot of fresh herbs, dill, parsley, 2 crushed cloves of garlic, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, and olive oil. I also added salt and pepper and some green onions. Well, it's going to be like diced, but...
Well, you can make what you got left. Slice it.
Yeah. I could probably make it happen. Here I diced up the red onion to go in with the potato salad. We also decided to add some kalamata olives to the potato salad. Not many though, I only chopped up around 10 of them. I hope this doesn't suck. We tend to get nervous when we're trying a new recipe. And food is just too expensive to be wasting. My man asked me to slice up the rest of the red onion to go on the burgers. So here I'm just thinly slicing them. Now I'm going to chop up the green onion and get that into that vinaigrette and ready for the potatoes. We both agreed here that seemed like a lot of green onion, but I did exactly what the recipe said, and I'm glad I did. That potato salad is so good. Friends, I will leave the recipe in the description. This was so good. Yeah. Okay, he's getting the potatoes drained and dried off and ready for me. And we're going to cut them into small pieces and add it to this, or add the vinaigrette to the potatoes.
I would say put it on a paper towel.
That's a good potato salad.
It is a good potato salad. It's a good potato salad. A no mayo. It's a Greek potato salad, no mayo. This is good, folks. This is good. This is good. It's right up there with your German potato salad.
Burgers, peppers, and onions on the Blackstone. The end result, after he did the brats as well. Folks, we had such a good Saturday night dinner. Everything was so delicious. And again, I'm going to put the recipe for that potato salad down below. Please try that recipe. It's so good. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.